If you need to print a Word document in Microsoft Word, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're printing one page, a full report, or multiple copies, the process is simple once you know where to look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose your printer, adjust your print settings, and send your document to print with confidence. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open the Word document you want to print. Make sure the file is fully loaded and that the document looks the way you want it to on screen, because what you see here is usually a good preview of what will be printed. If you want to make any last-minute edits, now is the time to do that before sending it to the printer. Once your document is open, go to the top left corner of Word and click File. This opens the Backstage menu, where you'll find all of the main document options. From here, click Print. As soon as you select Print, Word will take you to the Print Settings screen, where you can review everything before printing. On the print screen, the first thing you'll want to do is select your printer. If you have more than one printer available, click the Printer drop-down and choose the one you want to use. This could be a home printer, an office printer, or even a virtual PDF printer if you want to save the document instead of printing it on paper. Next, decide how many copies you want to print. If you only need one copy, leave it at 1. If you need several copies for meetings, handouts, or filing, increase the number of copies in the Copies box. This is a great way to avoid printing the document more than once later. After that, check your print settings carefully. This is where you can choose which pages to print. Whether you want to print the entire document or only a specific range of pages, you can also adjust orientation, such as portrait or landscape, depending on how your content is laid out. If your document includes charts, images, or colored elements, you may also want to check the color settings to make sure everything prints the way you expect. Take a moment to look at the print preview as well. The preview helps you confirm that your margins, page breaks, and layout all look correct before you commit to printing. If something looks off, you can go back and make changes in the document or adjust the settings here until the preview looks right. Once everything is ready, all that's left to do is click Print. Word will send the document to your selected printer, and your pages should begin printing shortly after. If the printer doesn't start right away, double-check that it's powered on, connected properly, and loaded with paper. And that's it. You've now learned how to print a Word document in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few clicks. Open the document, go to File, click Print, choose your printer, set your copies and page options, and print. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word videos, and I'll see you in the next one.